Good morning, dear students. Welcome to English second paper class. I know all of you are very safe and sound. You know, due to COVID-19, government has taken a decision to close down all the educational institutions of Bangladesh. But your studies at home is not stopped at all. That's why your home is now your classroom. Today I have another grammar class for you, and before going to our class, let me introduce myself as usual. I am Shimarani Bonik, and I have been working as a teacher of English in RHM School and College, Feni. Our today's topic's name is transformation of sentences. First of all, we have to know transformation. Transformation means changing the formation of the sentence, but its meaning cannot be changed at all. For example, only lucky can read your mind. Make it negative. And today we will learn how to transform the sentences, that is affirmative to negative. Only lucky can read your mind. None but lucky can read your mind. Students, if you find only in a sentence, then you have to write none but. None but lucky can read your mind. Then another example, he needs a pen only. You can change it like this. He needs nothing but a pen. Dear students, there is a change between the sentences. Here we use none but, and here nothing but. Here lucky is a person, that's why we use none but, and here a pen is things, that's why we use nothing but. This is the change. This is another example. He is only 10 years old, negative. He is not more than 10 years old. Here 10 is a number or age. If you find number in a sentence, you have to write not more than. That's why we write here not more than. Then another example and another style, we must go there in time. We can change it like this. We cannot but go there in time. If you find must in a sentence, you have to write cannot but, and we can change the sentences another way. that is we cannot help going there in time. Students, this is another style for changing a sentence. That means if you find must in a sentence, you can change it another way, that is cannot help. If you use help in a sentence, then you have to make the sentence continuous. I mean ing. That means go plus ing plus going, main verb. Here are another example. I have to go there. If you find have to in a sentence, then you will write I cannot but go there. Here I have written cannot but. If there is have to, and I can write cannot but in the case of negative. Then another example, he has to go there. If you find has to in a sentence, you can write he cannot but go there. If you find has to in a sentence, you have to write cannot but in the case of negative, and the rest of the sentence remains as it is. Then another example, I had to go there. If you find had to, the past perfect tense, then you have to write I could not. I could not go there. Dear students, had to, the past perfect tense. When you make it negative, you have to write only the past form of can. Could is the past form of can. I could not go there, and rest of the sentence remains as it is. Then another example, everybody wants to be happy. This is new form. If you find every in a sentence, then you have to write there is no. There is no. Then you have to write noun. Here body is noun. There is no body, then you have to write but. There is nobody but once wants to be happy. Dear students, again, if you find every in a sentence, you have to write there is no. There is no. You have to write there is no instead of every. Then you have to write body. I mean noun. There is no body. Then you have to write but. And the rest of the sentence remain as it is. Another example, everybody loves flower. Accordingly, negative, negative, there is no, there is no body but loves flower. Okay. If you find every in a sentence, you have to write there is nobody. Nobody but loves. Class, if you find every in a sentence, you have to write there is no plus noun. Here body is noun plus but, and rest of the sentence remains as it is. I mean there is nobody but loves flower. Then I have another example for you. She is always late. We can change it like this. She is never punctual. Students, if you find always late in a sentence, you have to change it like this. You have to write never instead of always, and you have to write punctual instead of late. Then I am going to give you some negative form of affirmative form. Obey, its negative form is disobey. Then you have to write love, hate. Then mortal, immortal. Then wise, unwise. Then you have to write polite. Polite, rude. Then always, never, tall, short. Class, the opposite word disobey, its affirmative form is obey. Obey, obeys, negative form is disobey. Then love, hate, mortal, immortal, wise, unwise, polite, rude, always, never, tall, short. These forms will help you make sentence, I mean assertive, affirmative to negative. And here are another example for you. As soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. Let's make it. If you find as soon as in a sentence, you have to write no sooner had. No sooner had. Then you have to write subject, the thief. No sooner had the thief no sooner had the thief no sooner had the thief, then you have to write seen, the third form of the verb saw, I mean seen, B3. No sooner had the thief seen the police, then he ran away. As soon as. If you find as soon as in a sentence, you have to write no sooner had, then subject the thief, then the third form of the verb saw is seen. No sooner had the thief seen the police, then he ran away. Another example. Here as soon as, we have to write no sooner had he gone there, then it started raining. Class, no sooner had Instead of as soon as, you have to write no sooner had. Then subject he. Then gone, the third form of the verb went. There. Here we have to write then because of comma. If there is comma, you have to write then. Then the rest of the sentence remain as it is. Then it started raining. Now I am going to give you homework based on today's topics. Only Allah can help us. Make it negative. We must obey our parents. Make it negative. Every mother loves her child. Negative. Everyone hates a liar. Negative. And the last one, as soon as the boy saw the tiger, he ran away. Make it also negative. When you do your homework, one thing is keep in your mind, that is, you have to follow the structure that I have shown you today. I hope you enjoyed the class. Don't forget to learn. Stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.